Checking for a sound card. How to check if a sound card is installed or not. This tip is not my own, it was sent to me via email. Function IsSoundCardInstalled, Boolean, type SCFunc equals function, UInt, stdcall, var LibInst, LongInt, EntryPoint, SCFunc, begin result equals false, LibInst equals LoadLibrary, PChar, winmm.dll, try if LibInst 0 then begin EntryPoint equals GetProcAddress, LibInst, waveOutGetNumDevs, if EntryPoint 0, then result equals true, and, finally if LibInst 0, then FreeLibrary, LibInst, and end.